guys, kami na naman ay nakalabas. So ayan ang aking kalbo baby. So nagpagupit siya early morning guys. Today is Sunday. So ginupitan siya. Why they cut his hair, Gulo?
I tell you, yeah, I didn't send you video right?
Not yet.
There's something like he kept cry with scissors. So it was like we were supposed to keep his hair on top, then
So
make it zero on side. But when we began to cut his hair on top, then he began to
cry. It turns like this.
no. So we tried to make it on machine, barber machine. Then it became like this. Obviously, machine will cut short.
Yeah. So yun nga guys, dapat ang plano lang is sa side yata, gugupitan, tas alam niyo yung style ng buhok ng papa niya ganon. Sobra yung iyak niya, kaya yan kinalbo na lang siya, pero hindi naman siya totally kalbo. Ayan, may natira pa naman kahit kunting buhok.
It's not totally kalbo.
Yeah, it's not. So we are going to buy again something guys for Mr. Gulo. Where are you going, anak? Where nga? Store? You're going to store? Ano? Just going to store, guys. Papa gonna buy sabon.
Tin. Done?
Nay, why?
Oh.
6:52 PM na dito, guys. Kaya medyo, madilim na. So, malapit na mag-winter, guys. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, medyo nagbabago na yung, yung pagdilim, no? Just isn't it Gulo? Cause before, even it's 7 already, it's still like
Yeah.
then now it's kind of a bit dark, right?
Yeah. It used to slowly it will be more. You know.
Dahil nga malapit na winter, guys, kaya nagbago na yung pagbaba ng araw. Mas maaga na yung gabi. Ayan. So, ayan nga, ang aming baby kalbo. So, kalbo is gonna buy sabon. Kalbo, but ang cute ni Jess, guys, no, pag kalbo. You look more so cute, anak, with kalbo hair. Are you kalbo? Jess, are you kalbo?
Kalbo.
Are you kalbo or not?
One is saying kalbo, he's saying ko.
He's a drunk like So nadaan na naman kami. So supposed to be dapat guys makikipagkita ako sa Pilipina ko today, pero hindi pwede. Dahil nga sa park sila magmi-meet. So umiiwas talaga kami sa park. So next time na lang, sayang hindi ko matitikman yung ensaymada ni Sis Arian. Sis Arian, mag-order na lang ako pwede next week. Nagsabi ako yung mister, mag-order ako sa yung ensaymada. Kasi mukhang perfect and first time niya gumawa, guys, pero mukhang perfect yung pagkagawa niya at masarap. Masarap sa chai. Tsaka kape. Ayan. So, ayan. I'm sure nag-i-enjoy si Sis Arian tsaka si Sis Usang sa park. Ayan. So, ang kasama lang nila, guys, yung anak ni Sis Usang tsaka yung pamangkin ni Sis Arian. Silang apat lang. Hindi ko alam, hindi nag-live si Sis Usang. Baka nag-enjoy na lang sila sa pag-chika-chika. Ayan. I'm sure naman nag-video siguro si Sis Arian. Panoorin ko na lang sa vlog niya. Ayan, so paggabi na talaga guys, no? Mag-7 pa lang dito, 6:56, pero madilim na siya, hindi gaya nung mga normal days. Nakikita nyo pag nagla-live ako, 'di ba, maliwanag. Pero ngayon madilim na siya. Ayan. Ayan, so in this area guys, talagang bilihan to. Para siyang small market. Are you okay, my love? You wanna go down?
Yeah, Then I immediately said sorry. Then she said koi nahi bhaiya. It's like it's okay kuya. It's good that, but here it can be made issue, you know. If it's like if like it's like that. It's good that saw that I didn't saw that.
So, may nasiko daw si Mr. guys ng babae. Just naman I can't make a video because of you. Wait, anak.
Tin.
Mm.
Stop na.